Sometimes you might be linking to resources that are not necessarily HTML pages. So for example, we have a PDF document in this directory. The name of the PDF document is called Learn Java. You can always find any PDF and copy it into the directory of the project. It's going to be in the root directory. It will appear in your WebStorm structure. Now, to link to the learnjava.pdf, it's like every other way I link to other HTML resources. So you have the actual name of the PDF, and then you have a text that will tell the user what this is about. So I put the Java tutorial and in brackets PDF. So let's go over to the web. This is how it appears. And when I click on it, it takes me to the PDF. So it uses the web PDF viewer to view it as a PDF. And this is beautiful. You know, it's just a simple PDF that says, let's begin learning Java. Sometimes you want the user to actually download the PDF and not necessarily open it. There is an attribute that you can include that will signify that. And of course, the name of the attribute is download. You don't necessarily need to put anything within the quotation mark. By just including this, you are telling the browser that this document is meant to be downloaded. So when you click it, instead of opening it, it gives you the option of downloading. Now, if you take note, the name of the file is the same name of the actual file in the directory. Sometimes you might want the name suggested to the user to be a custom name. That is where you include what you want within the quotation mark. So in this situation, this means when the person downloads the PDF, instead of Learn Java, what is suggested as the name of the file will be Java tutorial. So as I click it, you can see Java tutorial is the name of the file. Of course, unless you change it. So that's it. You can go and try it out.